So we've had our distilled water and our mixed soil sitting together for a total of 45 minutes now. For the first 15 minutes, we stirred it thoroughly, frequently, and then for the last 30 minutes, we have just let it settle. So the hope is that there's enough water in the top that we'll be able to get a reading and not have to dunk the pen into the solid. So we'll start with our Jiffy, and we're on pH here. So we'll just see what happens. So most of you know that these bounce around quite a bit. It's slowing down now, so we'll wait until it gets a little more consistent, and then we'll switch it over to the conductivity reading. And these are the pens that measure in millisiemens, which is equal to millimos, but we want micromos. So we're going to multiply that number by 1000. This is just pH, so we don't need to do any manipulation to these numbers. We're just going to let it settle, and I'm going to call that 6.22. So we can record 6.22 for our pH and hop over to microsiemens or millisiemens, sorry. And this is the one that we're going to have to multiply when it stops bouncing. So the key here is to make sure that we're into the water and not into the solids. Solids tend to increase the conductivity. So if we have too many solids where the pen is reading, then it's going to make it seem like our salt reading is too high. So here we have 0.91, and again, that is in millisiemens. So we're going to multiply that by 1000, and it would be 910 micromos. So if we look at our sheet, for 910 micromos, our soil salt level rating is still low. So we're not even close to the point where we would need to worry about putting too much fertilizer on based on the salt level reading. So I'll put that in here. And then we'll do the same thing for the multi-pot, and we will post these numbers on D2L for you so that you don't have to sit and watch the meter as the pH numbers bounce, but we'll get the final numbers posted for you.